The closer you get, the cooler it looks.
I know, that's a lot of honeybees there. Cool swarm there, guys.
Frank, all you have to ask your phone what to do with honeybees.
I don't know how to put that.
Yeah, they're definitely honeybees.
See if I can get a better angle from this side. Oh, wow.
How long has that been there?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what the new ones look like.
Yeah, they say just hang them in, keep them there until the beekeeper takes care.
I don't think the bees are going to go away anytime soon, unless tomorrow they may swarm and go somewhere else. But guys, you're looking at a bunch of bees on a peach tree.
They might have
Pretty
only
awesome.
arrived today, you know that?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Frank, they could have just arrived yesterday or today.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I was telling Frank that I was out here watering a tree yesterday on the trunk, watching the trunk and stuff.
You would have seen that.
Yeah, I would have thought they would have came out.
That
Yeah.
probably just happened.
Yeah, look at that swarm of bees.
You
That's
guys had
cool.
a great time